What's up YouTube, GarBear's Creations here, back with another video. This one's going to be more of an introduction into me and what I do, and I guess basically what that is I'm an epoxy crafter, is what I would call it. I do other things. Obviously you see some acrylic pours here, but at the end of the day everything gets epoxied in one way or another. But I guess I can start with, I got into crafting in general with gemstone necklaces. Actually, I started wire wrapping my own, and these are some of the ones that I wear personally now. Some of them have been upgraded to the epoxy, but I first started with the, wire wrapping gemstone necklaces, and then I would say about 10 months ago or so, got into the videos of people making epoxy tables and things on Facebook. So I decided to look it up and realize how versatile epoxy was actually, and came up with two ideas for myself. And just went ahead and bought some epoxy and tried it out. And one of them was actually this necklace here. I just took some stones and kind of epoxied it into a bezel I found at Michael's. Some really cheap epoxy that I also found at Michael's. It was like one of those like $10 little, like the tiny little bottles, and I just wanted to try it out really and see what what it was about. It didn't even get hard and everything, but I didn't know what to expect or what I was doing at all. And but yeah, it came out nice actually. I'm not even upset about that at all, that it didn't cure all the way or get completely hard, because I'm still very happy with how it came out. But another one of the first things I actually created with epoxy was this coaster that I made for myself. It's just a little wood block that I got from Michael's. I think these little pads came with my furniture actually, and I just didn't end up using them. And I stuck them on here, but this was another one, and I feel like for not knowing what I was doing at all, I feel like this came out like really nice. It's like just one of my favorite things. Just the colors, just the epoxy worked well with me, even though I did get a lot of drippage on the bottom that I had to sand down, but it worked out. Very nice, I feel. Then I moved on to necklaces, epoxy necklaces, and more recently epoxy earrings as well that match. I've already redone a couple of my personal stones this way, and I plan to do more. I just recently got more colors too to use for the backgrounds and everything. But these are some of my favorite things. I just feel like they look really nice, and I really enjoy making them actually. I don't know what it is. It's kind of like almost like that washing the dishes feeling. It's just kind of therapeutic. And I also make them with I only have amethyst and rose quartz right now, but I do plan on getting way more gemstones. They're just a little more difficult to acquire where I am, that being Texas, as opposed to California where I'm from, which stuff like this is a little more prominent there. So gemstone stores and stuff like that is a little easier to find. One of my more popular items actually is my clipboards that I make. I like to customize clipboards. Custom designs, or sometimes I just throw them together, like this one and this one here. These aren't customer orders or anything. I just kind of made these. I try to include some more pictures or maybe a video or something of some other ones that I have completed, some custom orders, because they did come out really nice. But yes, this is actually, surprisingly, I thought my necklaces were gonna be more popular, but my clipboards are actually much more popular than my necklaces starting out. I'm not very, my Etsy doesn't really sell anything at all. I'm very, very new. But I do hope to get better soon, you know. But I do get orders from, you know, friends and family, or, you know, other people who I speak to and things like that, and they order things. So I have some pics that I'll probably include of other things that I've made. But yeah, the clipboards are also very, I enjoy making those as well, even though they're a bit more on the difficult side. But I do enjoy making my clipboards. And I got into those actually. Another one of the first things I made was a clipboard for myself. It wasn't nearly as nice as this, but you know, it's my original idea was just to make it easier to hold while I was actually working, because I used a clipboard a lot at my previous job. And then it just kind of, you know, evolved into this. I wish I had some, I don't have any pics or anything laying around of my really, really, really early things, or I don't have my personal clipboard here either. It's at work. But yeah, believe me when I say that I've really come a long way. My clipboard that I actually use actually looks nothing like this. And I haven't gotten around to making one of these for myself. And then I like my clipboard. It's you know, it's one of the first things I made, and it doesn't matter that it's ugly. But you know, I know I can make them like this. Very, very nice. Let's see. I guess I'll move on to the dominoes now. These are a new thing for me. I just started making not too long ago. This is probably the third set that I've made. I'm getting a little better every time. This is my favorite set so far because, like, I added the glitter and everything. Oops, sorry. The glitter just looks really nice on the face of the dominoes. I also like to put oops, really trying not to hit that gooseneck. I also like to put amethyst and rose quartz stones in pretty much everything that I make, but you know, and really in the dominoes, because it's just, not only does it it gives it a little more weight, because you know, actual dominoes have a nice weight to them, but it just looks so amazing to me, just the stones inside of the dominoes. I really love it so much. I think from there, I'll move on to these are actually tree ornaments. Another very new thing I got into for the holidays. I made them at the same time that I made this set of dominoes, because I really like this you know, the glitter and everything, and I used a gold metallic paint to do the details. But yeah, these came out, I feel like these came out really nice as well. I really, really like these. Oops. Too bad the holidays only come once a year and don't stick around very long. But you can buy these and have them every year. Very nice. We'll definitely make those in more colors. Another thing that I do more for fun, actually, I'll go live sometimes and just do an acrylic pour. This is one I just did the day before yesterday at this point. This is by far, just to date, the best acrylic pour that I've done. Like, in regards of the sales, because that's what I've been trying to get pretty much since I started doing acrylic pour. That's what I really like. It's what captivates me when it comes to these things. So this is the most successful sell acrylic pour that I've done, and I like to use different paints to just mix some metallics, and you know, see a glitter paint down here. This was actually pink, and then I don't know, the pink tint just kind of disappeared. But if you know acrylic pours, you know it changes. But yeah, this is like I want to keep it, but I might put this on Etsy. Might epoxy it and put it on Etsy. So cool. So be on the lookout for that one. This is another one I did about a week ago. Just kind of experimenting with some new paints that I found, and I also found some pouring medium. So yeah, I just really wanted to mess with those. I really like how they came out too. I used all metallics. I didn't use enough paint, obviously, as you can see here, but I was just messing around really. And these are just some examples. I'm sorry this video got kind of long on me, but yeah, these are just some examples of things that I make. And another very cool thing about almost everything that I make is that I make it glow in the black light and or glow in the dark. Everything. So my dominoes here, the dots on the dominoes will look absolutely amazing if you have black light in your game room. My coaster that I made for myself. Yes, one of my earliest things has glow in the dark. I've always been into the glow in the dark. Everything. The necklaces and earrings, of course. The tree ornaments. Gotta have glow in the dark tree ornaments, right? The clipboards, of course. Like, what's a unique clipboard if it doesn't glow in the dark, right? And I absolutely love applying the glow in the dark to my acrylic pours. Tell me that doesn't look amazing. I don't have the best pigment powder. But it's definitely something to look at. And yes, that is my introduction to GarBear's creations and all of my glow in the dark unique items. Thank you for watching. Please find me on Etsy. Feel free to contact me about custom orders, because Etsy only allows you to add so many variations and stuff to things. So for some of the more complicated things, you're gonna have to actually contact me. I have my email on my Etsy, or if you're watching this video, obviously you can contact me through the comments on YouTube, or I don't know if there's a way for you to private message me. I'm not an avid, YouTube channel video person, but yes, by all means, feel free to hit me up, find me on Etsy. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.